So this is one of the very first sanders I bought way back when, before even starting woodworking. This was more I bought just for home DIY renovation type stuff. Thought it would come in handy because it comes with all these different attachments to get into certain grooves and things like that. And I really haven't used it in a few years, but it's going to come in handy today. I have this profile routed out in the top of this cutting board that I need to sand. As you can see, there's some burning. So I'm gonna modify this flat attachment to fit this profile.